went to your house. I walked up the stairs. I opened your door without ringing the bell. I walked down the hall into your room where I could smell you, and I should be here without permission. Should be here. I burn your incense. I ran a bed. I noticed a letter that said on your desk. It said, hello, love, I love you so.